Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome to the Pakora Man channel and welcome to Dubai. I'm here on a 3-day trip, so join me as I show you what the city has to offer. So I've actually landed in Abu Dhabi, so first I have to take the bus to Dubai. We just arrived at Ibn Battuta bus station in Dubai, just an hour's ride, and now we're just going to find the metro which will take us to our hotel. Single trip ticket I've just purchased was only 6 UAE dirhams, and that's going to take us to about 4 stops up to Barsha. We just jumped off the metro and just look how close our hotel is to the metro station. That's one of the reasons I picked it. Just wanted to add the metro very straightforward to use, but there's plenty of staff on hand if you're struggling. So the hotel check-in wasn't until 2 o'clock, so we decided to come out and get something to eat. And we were on a night flight, so I've not eaten since yesterday. So we just found this lovely restaurant just a few minutes walk from the hotel. We've ordered a tarka dal and some makhani chicken, and we've got some naan and roti to go with that. Just making our way back to the hotel. It's nearly 2 o'clock, so we can check in. That restaurant we just ate at, that food was just absolutely exceptional. And if that's the standard here in Dubai, well, I'm going to be a happy boy. We'll just get checked in and then we'll show you a quick room tour. Put the card in. So we've booked a 1-bedroom suite with a lounge area. I think it's just been cleaned, the floors are still wet. Just find the bathroom. It's a full bath, a shower above, and then the bedroom. Wow, that's a big bed. So we've got our own little balcony area. That's towards the lounge. Not a bad view. After dropping our luggage, we jumped straight back onto the metro to Dubai Mall. This is the start of the big bus tour which I booked. Purchased a 5-day ticket which included many extras for free, including a free Dow cruise, entry into Madame Tussauds, entry into the Lost Chambers Aquarium located at the Atlantis Hotel on the Palm, and also a sunset desert tour. There are 2 routes, the red route city tour and the blue route beach tour. You have a lot of flexibility with your ticket. You can hop on and hop off at any of the stops. Today we started on the blue route, which is the beach tour. Assalamu alaikum. Second day in Dubai now, and we've made an early start. We're leaving for the Museum of the Future, so we've jumped into a taxi using a local taxi app called Kareem. You can use it for food deliveries and for rides as well. Yesterday's bus tour was great, actually, a good way of actually getting your bearings around the city. We did have to curtail it a little due to tiredness arriving on our first day, and we got back to the hotel for an early night and a good night's sleep to make an early start this morning. So once we've been to the Museum of the Future, we're going to jump back on the hop-on hop-off bus. We're going to make our way to the Dubai frame. Hopefully we manage to get in there. We've not pre-booked any tickets. So that journey came to 60 dirhams. So that's the Museum of the Future. We've been dropped off pretty close. The taxi couldn't go any further than this. And if you are coming here, there's a metro station which is not far. It's literally just there. Well, I don't know about anybody else, but I just think that is the most gorgeous building. Definitely the best looking structure in Dubai so far that I've seen. That's absolutely beautiful. Very unique. Just hope we can get inside to have a look. Because we've arrived early, there doesn't appear to be a queue. I'm just hoping we can get in because we haven't pre-booked. Well, this is just the entrance, and it's stunning already, this place. I'm not sure how much it cost. I bet it's worth every penny. The lighting on the text is actually glowing on and off, as you can see, so it's an ever-changing ceiling. That is an absolutely beautiful staircase. Actually, if it's the Museum of the Future, should there be staircases? So there's a gift shop on the ground floor as well. It's also a cafe area. Might be Museum of the Future, but they've still got croissants and donuts. No, you're right. You do need to plan a bit better than I did. Tickets are sold out today, which I sort of semi-suspected, but I thought I'd give it a go, just turn up and see if we get in. So do plan ahead and do buy your tickets ahead. They are time specific as well, so you must get here on time, otherwise entry may be denied. This is the rear entrance. Appears to be some sort of fountain. Oh wow, get an even better view from here. So we've picked up the big bus again, and we're en route to Dubai frame. The big bus tour, included in the price of the ticket, is a free Dow cruise. So we're just making our way there. So the cruise is set off every hour, on the hour. So we've got about 20-25 minute wait. In the meantime, we'll have a look around this, looks like an old village set up here, and shopping area. So whilst we're waiting, I thought we'd get some fresh juice. And this is sugarcane with some lemon and ginger. One of my absolute favourites. Get this everywhere I go. Thank you for that, yeah? Excellent, thank you. nice and relaxed now. We'll jump back on the bus for the next stop. Thank you very much. So the next stop we've jumped off at is the gold Souk. Not that I'm interested in buying any, but I want to take a look, just intrigued. This is a fascinating place. I don't think I've ever seen so many gold and jewellery shops all in one place, and it's absolutely packed out here. Where do these people get the money from? So we did actually get off of the gold Souk, and looks like the spice Souk just merges into the gold Souk, sort of next to each other. The place is fascinating. It's absolutely packed out. It's a Tuesday. I was expecting it to be very quiet today. It's a working day, but it must be mainly tourists. The gold Souk and the spice Souk all done. I've done a bit of shopping. Now we're just waiting to get back on the bus. We're going to stop at the Dubai frame, and hopefully there's no queue there so we can get in, and there are tickets available. Keep you posted. The bus has just dropped us off outside the Dubai frame, and what an impressive structure this is. Can't wait to get inside. I'm just hoping there's no queues. Again, we haven't pre-booked. Thankfully the queue doesn't look too long, so we should be ticketed up and inside in a few minutes. So it's actually open from 9 o'clock in the morning till 9 at night, so we're doing a day tour. Apart from the stunning views from the top here, there's one unique feature the Dubai frame has. Don't think I've seen it anywhere else. I'm just going to give it a go. Well, there's no doubt about it, you're not going to get much more spectacular views of Dubai unless you're at the Dubai frame. And it is slightly overcast today, but you can still get spectacular views from here. And that's the main road below. And then on the other side of the frame, and I'm sorry the view couldn't be any better than this. It is very cloud and overcast today. Just give you an idea. That's the Burj Khalifa in the distance, if you could just about make that out. See if we can get you a little bit closer. We just jumped off the bus and we're back to Dubai Mall, and we're hoping to see the fountains, the water fountain at Burj Khalifa. So we're just going to make our way through the actual mall. Easy said than done. There's hordes of people here. Well, we made it to the fountain, and it looks like the whole of Dubai is here tonight. The place is absolutely buzzing. Just everybody's just getting ready for the display. The end of the show, and it had been a long day, so we headed back to the hotel. Walking through the mall, these caught my eyes and I had to pick some up. For our evening meal, we ended up at the same restaurant as the first day, and again I was not disappointed. The food was top notch again. That's it for part 1 of this tour. Join me again for part 2 coming soon. Thanks for watching, and it would help if you subscribed and click the bell icon to be notified about future videos.